I'll be telling you 5 things you need to avoid so that your channel will not be demonetized, suspended, or even deleted from YouTube websites. These 5 things, you need to pay attention to them because many people have been complaining this period that their channel are getting demonetized. A lot of people have their channel demonetized currently. Even in this new year, many people are complaining. When you go through the streets of YouTube, you see so many people complaining that either their YouTube channel got demonetized, suspended, or even deleted entirely. So to avoid you experiencing such, pay attention to this video. I'll be showing you what you need to avoid, 5 basic things you need to avoid so that your channel don't get demonetized, suspended, or deleted from YouTube. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Here is Grow with Stacy. We talk about how to make money online and how to grow your YouTube channel. And in this particular video, I'll be revealing to you 5 basic things you need to avoid. If you're doing them, you need to avoid them so I don't have experience of getting your YouTube channel demonetized, suspended, or deleted, because YouTube is not smiling this period. A lot of people are getting demonetized. Number one thing you need to avoid, you need to pay attention to, is YouTube community guideline strike. Like, a lot of people are getting this strike, and you might think that community guideline strike is maybe when somebody posts a censored video or a censored photos on their channel, that their channel will get demonetized. Some people have not even posted, like one of my friends that got community guideline strike. She did not post any uncensored video or photos on her channel, but she got community guideline strike. What happened? She was reacting to a movie scene, and the movie, the video kind of harmful to view, So if you're posting anything that is very harmful to the viewers, both the sound or the movement in the video, if it's going to cause harm to the viewers, it will be tagged as community guideline and they will give you strike. Anything that can cause people either physical harm, emotional harm, or even harm by just viewing your video on your channel will get to community guideline strike. So you want to avoid that. I suggest you read more on community guidelines so that you don't avoid it. Trust me, to get demonetized in this time is not a good experience. Number 2 is copyright claim or copyright strike. These two are, you can use them together, but they are two different things. Copyright claim is when you use someone else's video, maybe sound in the video, or you post someone else's content that's already existing on YouTube. You post it and maybe the person is monetized. That video or that sound is already monetized. It will give you a copyright claim. But if the person didn't place a takedown notice on that content, it might not warrant getting copyright strike. In the case where you get copyright strike is when the person the original owner of that content placed a takedown notice. So once you use that particular content, you will get copyright claim. You will get copyright claim and copyright strike. So YouTube will give you copyright strike. So you may want to avoid using any content that's copyrighted. That is why it's always good when you're uploading your videos, you put them in private so that you'll be able to know whether it is copyrighted. And people that always experience this are those that do reaction videos, or maybe you're using any sound to place in your own content and you don't know that that sound is monetized. It will get you copyright claim, and in most cases copyright strike. This can bring down your channel, can suspend it from monetization, and you can even get your channel deleted from YouTube partnership program. The third one is unverified AdSense accounts. For those who are just getting monetized newly, you have to verify your AdSense account to receive payment from YouTube. And sometimes getting this AdSense account verified is sometimes difficult because you want to have to get the AdSense pin to verify your AdSense account. And in some cases, so many people have, try to verify their account and it's not getting verified because of the delay in getting this pin. If you didn't get this pin on time, they will give you like 4 or 3 trials, and if at the end of these 4 trials and you did not get your AdSense account verified, you'll be demonetized and suspended until you get it verified. And after the first attempt and you did not verify your AdSense account, you won't be given an opportunity to get your account monetized again. The first one is reuse content. This particular one, many people have experienced it. I personally have experienced reuse content strike. It can get your account demonetized, suspended, or removed from YouTube partnership programs. So you want to avoid anything called reuse content. We call reuse content. Reuse content is using someone else's content that is already existing in YouTube on YouTube channel and is already monetized, and you go to use it. Many people get this reuse content, people that do reaction videos. And if you want to use someone else's content, that is, YouTube has already said that you must make it original. If you're using someone else's content, you must make that content original, either by using commentaries to make it your own or by making a reaction, option it to make it original. It must be original and it must give like entertainment value or educational value. If you're using someone else's content and you're not giving entertainment value or educational value, you're not making commentary, it will be tagged as reuse content. If you're making your own video as well, you can also get this reuse content strike, because if you're using like a sound, making your video, attaching a sound or anything that is already monetized on YouTube, it will be tagged as reuse content. So you should be able to avoid anything that can give you reuse content strike, because it will get your account demonetized, suspended, or deleted from YouTube partnership program. The last one I've been mentioning here, it might not be the least. The last one is unoriginal content. What can be tagged as unoriginal content? Maybe getting a content from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, maybe Twitter. You just go there and download the video and you upload it on YouTube without making necessary alteration, necessary correction, or putting it and making it your own content. It will be tagged as unoriginal content, and YouTube does not allow people to go to other websites like Facebook, other social media app like TikTok, Instagram. Just take a video there and come to upload on their own channel, on their own app. They don't allow that. That alone can get your channel demonetized, suspended, or deleted. So you may want to avoid these 5 things. There are a lot of them. You have to read about them so that you don't get your channel demonetized. Trust me, it's not easy to have a monetized channel on YouTube. And if you get your channel monetized, it will do everything possible to avoid it getting suspended from partnership program or getting demonetized entirely. It's very painful. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be dropping another video on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to make money. Just subscribe to stay tuned on this channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.